Hello everyone. Shri Mahavir Marwadi High School, Gondia welcomes you. With this second part of parts of speech, we are going to continue the parts of speech. In our prior video of part 1, we have seen that noun, pronoun, adjective and verb. In this part we will see adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Before going to discuss in detail, let us see some sentences. Here are: first, he ran fast. He met me yesterday. She came with me. The book is on the table. Ram and Lakshman were brothers. They must work or they will starve. Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, he is no more. So, my dear friends, in the sentences we have seen different words are playing different role into the sentence and they are contributing meaningful role. So at first we will see fast and yesterday. Both of these words are specifying how the action has performed. So my dear friends, they are showing how the action has done fast and yesterday. So according to their role of specifying the manner of action, they known as adverb. They known as adverb. Addition to verb. How the verb is done, showing by the word, is known as adverb. Okay. Secondly, we will see with and on. With and on, both the words into the sentences are showing us the position of noun or pronoun. So these words are known as preposition. This is known as preposition. In third case, we will see about and or. And or, both the words are connecting the words into the sentence, as we have seen. So those words which are playing role of connector, role of joining in a sentence, they joins words or sentences, they known as joining words too, and their title is conjunction. So and, or, but, such kind of words are known as conjunction, and their role in the sentence is to join the words or join the two sentences. And at last we have seen the words hurrah and alas. Both are expressing emotions and sudden feel. Such kind of words which are related to express the emotions and feels, they are known as interjection. Let us see in detail what they are. Let's know little more about adverb and preposition. My dear friends, in the role of sentences, you can say now words that tell us more about verbs or adjectives are called adverbs. The examples are: he worked the sum quickly. The flower is very beautiful. She speaks correctly. My TV set is there. All the words quickly, beautiful, correctly and there, all these words are saying something more about the verb. So these are adverbs. Now let us see preposition. According to the sentences we have seen earlier, you can say that prepositions are the words that are used before a noun or pronoun to show the relationship of these words to other parts of the sentences. My dear friends, if we are saying something about any noun or pronoun and we are not mentioning the preposition words, the sentence will be incomplete. Let us see how. In the example, she came with me. Just imagine if with is not there. The sentence will be like she came me, and she came me is not a complete sentence and we cannot conclude the meaning by these three words, she came and me. And as we insert with between came and me, the sentence becomes complete and we can conclude its meaning. So my dear friends, to make complete a sentence there is need of some words which are showing the relationship between noun or pronoun to the other parts of the sentences. So such kind of words are known as prepositions. There are lots of words which are classified as prepositions. For example, with, on, from, by, onto, into, and many more are there. So let us see few examples. She came with me. The book is on the table. Whole world is suffering from COVID-19. I go to school by bus. After preposition and adverb, let us know little more about conjunction and interjection. As you have seen into the sentences in the beginning of the video, you can conclude that conjunctions are the words that join together two or more words or sentences. It is also called joining words. The examples of such joining words are and, but, or, that, so, because, if, when, etc. So my dear friends, let us see the examples. Ram and Shyam are friends. Go and take the medicine. They must work or they will starve. My dear friends, sometimes we need to add joining words to make our sentence more effective and more meaningful. So you know very well why do we need joining words. So conjunctions are those words which play role of connector into sentences. Now we will see the role of interjection. According to the example we have seen before, you can say that words that expresses an emotion or some sudden feeling are called interjection. So interjections are those words which shows the expression of emotion and sudden feel. Examples are oh, alas, hello, hurrah, poof, indeed. So my dear friend, let us see how do we use such words into our sentences. Oh, he has dropped the catch. Alas, she is no more. Oh no, there is no session today. So my dear friends, these were the parts of speech, and these are so much important for us to read, write, listen and speak English. So my dear friends, I hope now you can easily identify the parts of speech in any sentence. So thank you. Have a nice day.